hope you're all doing well. So today, whilst we've still got the linen in this part of the hoop, I thought we could focus on doing this flower here. So I've just finished by doing the crewel stem stitch so we can fully do this flower. So it's 3 different stitches we're going to be using. There's going to be the satin stitches for the outward bit of the flowers, seeding stitches for the middle, and then tomorrow we'll move on to doing the French knots for the centre of the flower. I've got my thread on the linen, we're all on, and I'm going to start by doing the satin stitch. So Philippa always says start from the middle and work out. So make sure that I'm over the blue line and go in the middle like that. And then we're just going to work this way first. So is that to the right? And I followed the stitch chart and it says we're using a single thread for this one. So I'm just going to come up and over. So I'm following the instructions of what Philippa had put for the long and short stitch, where it's make sure to get them really close together to get that dense colour. No, it seems that seems applicable to the satin stitch as well. So we're just going to come up and making sure as well to go over the blue lines, because that's definitely something that I've struggled with in the past. Up and down. It's definitely a good stitch if you're like me and still trying to get to grips with the two-handed stitching. It seems to go quite well together, this one. It's easy to remember to do it on this one. Down. Oh, lost my thread. Up. Down. Make these little stitches smaller. Lost my thread again. Down. One last one on the end there. So I'm going to come back up the middle and do the other side. And then we'll go back over and do a second layer. So I've finished the first top of the petal. We've gone in with 2 layers of the satin stitch. I had a little bit of leftover wool, so I've gone down here and just done part of the outline in the crewel stem stitch. So I'm going to go back round and do this side in the crewel stem stitch, and then I'll move on to the rest of the petals. So I'm going to go finish off doing that today, and tomorrow I'll be back with you with some finished petals and we'll move on to doing the centre of the flower.